The ADEA is the Age Discrimination in Employment Act. It is a federal law that prohibits discrimination in the employment context for individuals who are 40 years of age or older. This means that individuals age 40 or older cannot be turned down for a job, terminated from a job, or fail to receive a promotion on the basis of being age 40 or higher. The ADEA is an offshoot of the Fair Labor Standards Act. It is mirrored, therefore, by the Fair Labor Standards Act in its remedies. It provides remedies for things like back pay and can even provide for liquidated damages, but may not necessarily provide for emotional damages. The Florida Civil Rights Act, on the other hand, is similar to the ADEA in some ways, in that it prohibits age discrimination, but individuals can actually sue for age discrimination under the Florida Civil Rights Act for being too young. Therefore, because age cannot be a factor in determining employment status, whether too young or too old, it is important that you contact an attorney regardless of your age if you believe that was the decision-making reason.